Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Tarang and I share valuable insights and tutorials on software that can make your work in the construction and quantity surveying fields more efficient and accurate. In my last video, we covered the installation of PlanSwift. If you haven't checked it out yet, I recommend watching that first to get set up. In this video, I am to teach you the basic functions in PlanSwift using practical methods that you can easily apply to your own projects. By the end, you will be ready to start using PlanSwift confidently. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this tutorial is for you. Let's start. Okay guys, let's begin by launching PlanSwift. Before we jump into the tools and functions, let's take a brief tour of the PlanSwift interface. When you first open PlanSwift, you will see the main workspace in the center where your plans will be displayed. On the left, you have the tool palette which contains all the measurement tools we will be using. Across the top, there is the menu bar with options for file management, scaling and other settings. Finally, the right side is where you will find the job information panel which displays details about your current project and measurements. Now let's add our drawings to the amazing software. Click on New. Enter the job number and description. Next, choose English for the measurement unit since I'll be working with feet and inches today. If you are working with meters and millimeters, you can simply select the metric option. Then click on Next. Here, you can select your drawings and their file locations. I selected the first two drawings to upload to the software. Click on Next. In here, you can see DPI for TIF values. TIF files are typically high resolution, providing very detailed images of your plans. This detail is especially useful when zooming in for precise measurement or working with complex drawings. However, due to their high resolution, TIF files can be quite large, which might slow down PlanSwift's performance if you are handling multiple large files or if your computer's hardware is not powerful enough. It's important to ensure your system can manage these files smoothly. Additionally, when importing TIF files, accurate scaling is crucial to ensure precise measurements. Because TIF files maintain such high quality image details, setting the scale correctly from the start is essential. When importing TIF drawings into PlanSwift, the default resolution is set to 200 dpi. I recommend increasing this to 250 or even 300 dpi. This higher resolution enhances clarity and precision, making your work more accurate and detailed. Then you can select True Color as a format. Click Next. Click Finish. Now that we have successfully added the drawings to the PlanSwift file, the next step is to scale it before starting any measurements. You can use an existing measurement on the drawing to set the scale. I open the foundation drawing by clicking on its name. Alright, let's get started scaling this drawing. First, we will use the measurement of 21 feet and 8 inches. Click on the scale tool. Then choose standard. Enter 21 for feet and 8 for inches. Then hit OK. Then click on the start point and end point of the dimension. OK, this will adjust the horizontal scale. Now let's handle the vertical dimension. We will use the measurement of 10 feet and 9 inches. Again, click on scale, select standard, input 10 for feet and 9 for inches and click OK. Then click on the start point and end point of the dimension. Once you have scaled both horizontally and vertically, you will see a new icon appear on the left side of your screen next to the drawing name. This confirms that the scaling is complete. Now, let's move on to the quantification part. Firstly, select the area tool from the tool palette on the ribbon. You can then give your measurement a name based on your work. For this example, I will name it site cleaning. After naming, you can choose a color for the measurement if you like. After that, click OK. You can start measuring by clicking on the area you want to measure. Continue clicking on the points to outline the entire area. Finish the measurement by double clicking to close the perimeter. Please observe the process here and don't worry about the measurement method or specific area details. Once you have completed measuring an area, you might still be on the previous measured layer. If you want to measure another area, you can do so by clicking on it. After completing the measurement, press the escape key to deselect the current layer. Measure an area using the previous layer again. Find the previous layer from left side and look for the green icon. Click on this icon to start your measurement and continue it by clicking and double click to finish it. To deselect the layer, you have four options. The first is to click the red icon. The second is to go to the ribbon and select digitize recording. The third is to right click and choose stop. And the fourth is to simply press the escape key. Before moving on to the next tool, let's clean up any unnecessary parts. Select the unwanted portions and press the delete key. Confirm your action by clicking yes when prompted. Alright everyone, we have successfully measured the area. If you need to deduct an area from within that measured space, right click and select subtract from section box. Then choose the required area. For irregular shapes, right click and select subtract from section P to P. Then mark the area you want to subtract. I will undo that deletion by pressing Ctrl plus Z. Now I will move to my second drawing by clicking on the title of the next drawing. Okay guys, now I am going to scale this drawing using the same method as before. First, we will use the measurement of 20 feet and 9 inches. Click on the scale tool, enter 24 feet and 94 inches and hit OK. Click on the starting point and click on the ending point for your measurement. Okay guys, this will adjust the horizontal scale. Now let's handle the vertical dimension. We will use the measurement of 26 feet and 4 inches. Again click on scale. Input 26 for feet and 4 inches and click OK. Click on the starting point and click on the ending point for your measurement. Okay guys, this is the time to put the linear tool to work. Firstly select the linear tool from the tool palette on the ribbon. You can then give your measurement a name based on your work. For this example, I will name it skirt in 100 mm high and will focus on the skirt in length. After naming, you can choose a color for the measurement if you like and click OK. To start measuring, click the starting point of your line on the drawing. Continue clicking additional point as needed. If you need to pause and start a new line without losing progress, press N. This will create a new line segment. To continue the original line later, simply click on it again. Click on second point. Press N key and again click on next point. Then continue measurement. Click on last point and press N. We will continue our measurements like this way. Click on my first point, second point, third point, and fourth point, fifth one, sixth one, press N. Finally, to deselect the layer, I will click on Digitizer Recording. Okay guys, now let's measure circle and arcs using the linear tool. Click on linear tool and I will name this one as a test. Select this color and click OK. Okay guys, now click on the first point. Then press A. After that, click on your second point. Okay guys, now you will notice the line transforms into an arc. Then click on your next point. Okay guys, repeat, press A and click next point. Press A, click next point. Again press A, click on next point. Please guys, repeat these steps till end. Guys, observe that after pressing A, the cursor symbol changes to indicate you are now creating an arc. Okay guys, you can use this method to measure arc or circle. Once you have completed your measurements, right click and select show label. This will be display the calculated quantities. You can drag and resize this label anywhere on the drawing as needed. Okay guys, now I will demonstrate how to use the count tool. First, click on the count tool. We are going to count this TP1 window. I will name it as a TP1 window. Then choose a shape that fits your needs. In here, I will select the round shape for this example. Then pick a color for your count marker and press OK. After setting up, you can count your TP1 windows by clicking on each one. Finally, I will click on Digitizer Recording to deselect the layer. Again, I click on the Count tool. Name it as TP2 window and select square as a shape. Click OK. To count items, simply click on each item you want to include in your count. Finally, I will click on Digitizer Recording to deselect the layer. Guys, pay close attention to this important step. I have miscounting this window. For count this window, locate your mouse cursor green circular icon near the layer name. Click this icon to reactivate the layer and you can continue your count. Then click on Digitizer Recording. Now, We are going to add another drawing to this project in PlanSwift. First, locate and click on this green plus icon. Click on Next. In here, you can select the drawings you want to add for this project. Select Required Drawings. Click Next. Uncheck this box for Upload High Quality PDF file to my PlanSwift project. Then click Next and click on Finish. Then click on the newly added drawing name. Okay guys, now you can see high quality PDF file in your PlanSwift project. Look at the previous drawing. It has low resolution. Now look at the newly added drawing. It has high resolution. Okay guys, now we are going to scale this drawing. We can use this 16 feet and 6 inches to our scaling work. Click on Scale. Insert 16 for feet and 6 for inches. Click OK. Click on the starting point and click on the ending point for your measurement. Okay guys, now we are going to learn about auto count function. Firstly, click on this auto count icon. Then give name as a D2A door. Then click on Pick Sample. Choose the item you want to count. Click Next. Select the range you want to search within and click Next again. It will take a few seconds. You can then pick or unpick symbols according to your requirements by clicking on them. Now you can see your selected items have been counted. Then deselect current layer. Okay guys, now let's look at single click measurement. Start by clicking on the single click icon. Then select the area. Then provide the name and choose a color for the measurement. Click OK. Next, click on the enclosed area you want to measure. Here, I will select some more areas. And this. Also here. And press escape key to finish. Okay guys, now it is time to end of today's tutorial. In my next tutorial, we will dive into a more comprehensive project quantifying a two-story building. We will start with the excavation phase and go through each part of the building systematically, breaking down the processing into manageable steps. I will also provide practical tips to enhance accuracy and efficiency in your measurements. Whether you are working on a small project or large one, these techniques will help you get precise results. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell so you stay updated with all my latest tutorials. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.